Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: square root of negative I, square root of I plus square root of negative I equal to what? We're going to solve this question very quickly. Let's provide a solution so that here we shall copy, so that here equal to square root of I plus square root of here negative I. Simply, we can say equal to square root of here 2 over 2 as 1 times I, to mean that nothing changed, equal to here negative 2 over 2 I. By separating them, we can say square root of here 2I over square root of 2 plus here square root of here negative 2I over square root of 2, right? And this is equal to, here we can say is that this one 1 over square root of 2 times square root of 2I, and here plus 1 over square root of 2 times square root of here negative 2I. And then here at this stage we can factorize this 1 over square root of 2 outside to get square root of 2I plus square root of here negative 2I, close bracket, right? So what is that? We're going to write here equal to, here we have 1 over square root of 2, open bracket of, here this is square root, we can write 1 minus 1 plus, here we have 2I, because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, then plus here square root of here 1 minus 1 here minus 2I, close bracket, right? So here we shall say equal to 1 over here square root of 2 and open bracket of, here we can say this is the square root of here 1 squared, right? Then here this minus 1 is equal to here I squared. This is what we have right here, I squared. Then, but because we have negative, we can write plus I squared, then plus 2I, and then plus here 1 squared. This negative stands for plus I squared, then minus 2I, close bracket, and this will be 1 over square root of 2, open bracket of, here if you are seeing nicely, we have 1 plus I squared, square root, then plus square root of here, it is 1 minus I squared, and of course this is 1 over square root of 2, and this to be cancelled, here times 1 plus I plus 1 minus I, right? And of course this will be 1 over square root of 2, open bracket of, here this and this to be cancelled, 1 plus 1, so we shall get here 2 over square root of 2 as our solution, then times square root of 2 over square root of 2 to get here 2 square root of 2 over 2, and this will be square root of 2 as our solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.